Stop crying.
Sick. So we got beast mode up front, as you can see. And we got Alicia Inner Beast, Physiques Greatness. Sick. Sick, yeah. Hey, big shout out to Physiques Greatness. Chris Jones and Vincent Garza over there. Keep doing your thing, man. Love the videos. And Vincent, man. You thought you were a beginner, but you're huge, bro. Myron. So, hey, good stuff, guys. I'm gonna look forward to working out in this shirt, going beast mode on my sets today. So yeah, if you're somehow subscribed to this channel, without being subscribed to Physiques Greatness, I'll put a link right here in my chest area. Yeah, so it's pretty sick. I got a medium, because I'm grown, maybe. I might be small now, or I might be small for long, so I got this medium, be rocking this. Thank you, guys.
You ever have those days when you wake up and you just know you're gonna have a great day and you're gonna have an awesome workout? Today's one of those days. I've been watching all these videos, you know, from Matt Ogus linking to Ryan, I forget his last name, natural bodybuilder, and I'm getting so hyped, man, talking about like not complaining and just grinding it out, hard work, all that. So I'm just pumped, man. Definitely pumped to hit it today and go beast mode, baby.
What's up, Lions?
What's good?
Hey, about to hit our workout today. Got my beast mode tank on. Jin's got his dollar bills.
Big L.
We're gonna make it rain.
On them.
No, we're not. We're gonna lift some weights. We're freaking pumped. Let's do this, guys. Upper body today.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy! Get it! watching. I mean, that's haQx and Ryan, what's his last name? Ryan George saying, grind it out. We can do work. Yeah, man.
Stop grind.
Enjoy the journey, baby.
Embrace the mother freaking grind.
Your workout. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry, peeps.
Embrace the grind, Lions.